Well, joining us now, Atul Satheeja, founder 2.0 and CEO of Give India. It's absolutely wonderful, Atul, to have you on this program. Tell us first a little bit about the organization's history, the purpose with which it was founded 20 years ago, Atul.
Yeah. So firstly, thank you so much for having me. It's great to be a partner of NDTV in this telethon. Give India actually started way back in 2000 with a very simple but a very important purpose, which was to serve and support our poor. We realized that there were a lot of people on one side who were actually having the resources and the intent to help and serve, but a far more number of people on the other hand who are actually needy, who need help. And we thought, why not create an exchange? Why not create a platform that encourages people, enables people to actually give back to the ones in need? So that's how we launched the Give India platform way back in 2000. We also felt that just creating the platform will not make people givers. The most important thing was to make sure that donors have the confidence that their money is actually going and changing the life of someone. So the bedrock of the entire thing we were doing was, how do you do the due diligence, the verification, so that every non-profit, every program on the platform is actually verified to give the donors that confidence. So that's what we've been doing for the last 20 years. Very proud of the fact that we are India's first and the most trusted giving platform.
जी अतुल, जिस तरह से आपने बताया कि 20 साल पुराना संगठन है और विश्वास आप लोगों ने कैसे जीता है, मैं आपसे ये समझना चाहूंगी कि इस 20 साल के दौरान किस तरह से आपने अपनी संस्था को इवॉल्व किया, रिपर्पस किया कि, और खास तौर से अब कोरोना के दौर में किस तरह से ये उपयोगी हो रहा है?
Yeah. See, on one hand, if you look at it as an organization, we have not evolved at all. कुछ भी नहीं बदला है. We started the organization so that हम अपने fellow Indians के काम आ सकें. We should be able to help people. In that aspect, we have not changed at all. We want to do this for the rest of our life. But if you look at the journey of the organization, the evolution of the organization, we started by creating a very simple way for people to come and give small amounts of money from their salary. लोग अपनी सैलरी से 50 रुपया, 100 रुपया, 75 रुपया, 20 रुपया एनजीओ को डोनेट करते थे हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से. एक सिंपल सा वेबसाइट था जिससे लोग आके डोनेट करते थे. Over time, what we did is we brought, for example, we partnered with ProCam to bring the culture of marathons in the country, integrated with charity. We brought India's first crowdfunding platform in 2006 called iGive. As middle class was growing in India, जैसे लोगों के पास पैसा आ रहा था, we started consulting HNIs and UHNIs, and we brought giving pledges to India to encourage people to give back. So इस सारी गिविंग की जर्नी जो इंडिया ने देखी है पिछले 20 साल के अंदर, we had a small role to play in almost all of that. Over the last 4 months, since we started working on COVID, we have seen amazing generosity coming from people from all walks of life, not just rich, but very, very normal people, COVID warriors coming forward and donating. We have raised money from more than 3.5 lakh people just in the last 4 months.
That's fascinating.
But अगर आप हमारी पूरी जर्नी देखें, so it's been like 15 lakh people, and like 700 plus crores is what we have donated on the platform so far.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Satheeja, you're connected with thousands of donors on the one hand and hundreds of NGOs as well. How difficult is it, or how important is it to earn their support and eventually trust? How do you go about that business?
See, ultimately, everything we do is built on trust, because the donor is trusting us with their money to make sure that it is actually going and changing someone's life. So what we do is we actually spend a lot of time verifying the legal aspects of the NGO, compliance aspects of their work, financial aspects. We send our team in person to the ground. I mean, our teams have to go travel in trains, travel in buses, and meet NGOs wherever they are. Even surprise visits to the beneficiaries where they are claiming they have given the service or the product or support. So that when we go to a donor, we are very confident that every single rupee is doing what it is supposed to, which is changing lives. So that is one part, right? Trust is one part. We also have to make sure that giving is very convenient. So we work with close to about 150 partners, where we actually make it very easy for people to come and give, whether they are on Facebook, whether they are on PhonePe, whether they are on platforms like Cred. We want to make sure that people give wherever they are. And we also want to provide the choice of giving, so people give to the causes that are closest to their heart. So that's sort of the work we have to do on this side.
Sure.
बिल्कुल अतुल, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप और भी कामयाबी हासिल करें और जिस तरह से विश्वास जीता है, आप 50 या 100 रुपए का योगदान भी दे सकते हैं। ये जो विश्वास जीता है तभी इतने सारे एनजीओ साथ जुड़े और जिन क्षेत्र में लोगों ने मदद करने की सोची है वहां तक ये पहुंची भी है मदद।